Daniel grew up on the streets, where survival mattered more than values. His father died early. His mother struggled, and by his teenage years, the streets had become his school. Anger became his strength. Violence became his language. By 25, Daniel was feared, known for crime, intimidation, and a reputation that kept people away. Inside, however, he was empty. Nights were the worst. When the noise of the streets died down, guilt crept in. He remembered a praying grandmother who once told him, "God's hand is on your life." Daniel mocked those words, yet they wouldn't leave him. One night, during a violent encounter gone wrong, Daniel narrowly escaped death. Shaking, he sat alone till dawn, asking a question he had never dared to ask. "God, if you are real, why am I still alive?" Weeks later, trying to hide from trouble, Daniel wandered into a small church at the edge of his neighborhood. He sat at the back, arms folded, ready to leave at any moment. The preacher read one verse: "If anyone be in Christ, he is a new creature. Old things are passed away. Behold, all things are become new." It felt as though the words were spoken directly to him. Not condemnation, not threats, hope. When the call to salvation was made, Daniel's pride fought hard, but mercy fought harder. He walked forward, hands shaking, and prayed through tears he hadn't shed since childhood. "Jesus, I've ruined my life. If you can change me, take me." That night, the rage that had ruled him for years lost its grip. The hunger for violence was replaced with a hunger for truth. The man who once destroyed lives began rebuilding them. He returned stolen items, sought reconciliation, and submitted himself to discipleship. The streets that once knew his fear now heard his testimony. Today, Daniel mentors young men trapped in the same cycle he escaped. He carries scars, but also authority. Lessons from his salvation. No life is too hard for God's grace. One encounter with Christ can interrupt a lifetime of sin. Salvation produces transformation, not perfection. The Son of Man came to seek and to save that which was lost.